Oh boy. This entire process is a cluster of a mistake packaged as an idea, express shipped my own traitorous imagination. Dragons. This entire sequence of ineptitude was because of a single damn dragon. I have a lovely one painted, but at the time it wasn't exactly on a base, so I thought so highly of myself, I decided, hey, let's not print the base that I actually came with and make one myself. Which I did. It was alright, but then I had another thought. What if I did it again? Why not make one as a display piece? I have a whole bunch of demon and devil models that it would be perfect for. Why not? Anyway, building was simple enough. Stack a few pieces of XPS foam on top of each other, create some interesting space, carve out an area on the bottom for some lava looking stuff to go, and then to hit most of the stacked XPS foam with a layer of twice baked coffee grounds to serve as a kind of cheap texture paste. The entire thing was sealed with a cheap black craft paint mixed with gloss coat Mod Podge. It gives the black paint a natural reflective quality that really fit the idea I had going in here for an idea of let's create Obsidian. With a quick dry brush of green to the various edges, and then another brighter green, followed up by a off-white, and then just the tiniest amount of white, major stonework was done. The lava areas got a coat of white over the black, that was heavily focused on what I thought would be the brightest points. So then the lava got a bright yellow coat starting from these brightest points and then working out towards the rocks into the red-orange spectrum, finally ending with a kind of medium red being placed onto the obsidian themselves to give it kind of a glow effect. All of this was fine. All of this worked together. And I was happy with it. As happy as I could be without having poured any resin, which was the original intent. I should have stopped. I should have just put it down, walked away. But I carried on, and I decided to mask it off. I didn't think about the masking. I didn't think about the way I had cut the XPS base plate. 2 words. Gaping holes. Color. Fucking color. That lava base for the dragon, I tinted that resin with orange paint and it ended up looking like Tang because I overestimated how much orange was needed to tint the resin. I knew better. Naturally, being a brilliant monkey brain, I decided to try again and use a full 1 drop of yellow because clearly I am brilliant. And I didn't mix nearly enough resin to cover the entire area. However, ironically, this would end up helping me. Yeah, I did that. I did that. Can I get a round of applause? Or like? I'll take both. Either. Or. Instead of tang resin or clear resin like still water, I ended up with a fresh, cloudy piss color or something that looks like some weird, possibly deadly toxin hot spring water. And then I walked away from it to let it set up. Some hours later, I learned that the masking job was, well, shit. Turns out the rough surface of the edges needed a better masking material than just clear packing tape loosely attached. A lot spilled out, and what remained squeezed into areas along the edges of the piece where they can't be removed now without taking huge chunks from the paint and or the foam. All that said, I don't hate the piece. Just does the job of reminding me every time I see it, hey idiot, wanna try pouring resin again? Another try, bub? The effect on the obsidian's good though. I really like that. It's like an obsidian with a really interesting green tint to it, and the overall glow effect's not bad on the rock. As a display piece, it still works. Kind of worthless though as a gaming piece without more like it, and it's a little on the larger side. It makes it a little difficult to display somewhere other than on a table. Having learned my lesson about resin and the need to mask properly, I'm going to come up with better solutions next time, or at least take it slower. Spoiler alert! Technically does get better, but it also technically gets much worse. Spoiler, it technically does. But I may have discovered an easy and totally useful way to make wet-looking natural terrain. Hey, thanks for watching my failure with me and laughing at my incompetence. Join the comment section and subscribe for more pro gamer bullshit moves like this one. The next piece, it's going to be to recreate a piece that I had to unfortunately destroy. Oh yeah, I had to destroy a piece of terrain. It's going to be a story.